gonna check?
Ha 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 ha.
How are we gonna check? Wait, you're
We're gonna
filming?
go. Yeah, why
Don't
not?
show me, okay? Ew.
I saw your foot. Ah!
Here, look at my disgusting socks. My disgusting legs.
They're like, it's Garfield holding donuts.
White. Oh, I don't think this is Garfield. This Garfield
Look at
is
the hands.
Garfield is orange, and these are yellow.
He's yellow.
Are you
orange.
colorblind?
He's
Mhm.
yellow orange. Huh?
More like orange yellow.
Same
Gives you-
thing.
It's not the same.
Same thing.
Then why is yellow green the green yellow? Why are there different crayons in the crayon box? Explain.
Check on the other colors.
No. They have different shades. Okay, then I can go wrong, isn't it? Okay.
Whatever. Go from.
Maybe. Yeah. Then why is there red violet? Then violet red. What's the point? Excuse you. They're different. Yeah, they're different.
Yay.
Okay,
What you sipping on? I got you talking crazy. Looking at me sideways, always coming at me. Why you acting hard when you just a baby? Boy, I keep it real with you, but you tryna play me. Have you lost your mind? Open up your eyes. You must have confused me well. You must have confused me well. There ain't no excuses there. 'Cause your mama raised you better than that. What you sipping on? I got you talking crazy. Looking at me sideways, always coming at me. Why you acting like you never met a lady? I don't
Point it at them.
Yeah. No. No. Can't even eat.
Did you see how many people there were? Let's film our shoes. MG shoe vlog, shoe haul.
We're all idiots. Open it like this.
Wait.
Let's create the stars.
Oh, Jinx.
Oh, god damn it. You stay like here to
My potatoes.
Chickens are capable of sneezing.
Wait, they are?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Chickens are
You
what?
haven't watched what I
They
recommended?
can sneeze.
You didn't watch what I recommended. I searched up for the sneezing chicken thing.
Who's that sexy thing I see over there? That's me, standing in the mirror. What's that icy thing hanging around my neck? That's gold. Show me some respect. Oh, I thank God every day that I woke up feeling this way, and I can't help loving myself. Nuh-uh. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I walk in like a timepiece. I go straight to VIP. I never pay for my drinks. My entourage behind me. My life's a movie, Tom. So bless me, baby, yeah. And even if they try to, they can't do it like I do. I thank God every day that I woke up feeling this way, and I can't help loving myself, and I don't need nobody else. No, baby. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me.
Look at this. Wait.
What's up with the moist? Can you Is that the you're recording?
It's 2 minutes in.
Hi.
2 minutes. Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah. It keeps getting cut off. It's not my
So
fault.
there's
So guys, I'm sorry. There you go. So we're on our way to our classroom.
Yo!
We just bought this plus That's
This
good.
is sponsored.
Answer that.
Yeah, we should.
Oh my god. Email.
Where are we going here?
Oh, sorry. I received an
Too much sunlight.
So we made a channel and we already got a strike.
From the first.
For the first
video.
We need to fix that.
So how do we not get copyrighted?
Just click this.
How do we not?
Shut up. You know what?